Let me ask you something. How many times have you pasted code into Claude and got a generic, useless answer back? Here's the truth. It's not Claude's fault. It's how you're giving it context. Most developers give their AI less than 10% of what it needs to understand their code. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 tips that will take your AI coding accuracy from 23% to 97%. Let's get into it. Tip number 1, share your project structure first. Before you ask Claude anything, give it the full picture. Without structure, Claude assumes you have a flat, single-file project. It has no idea how your modules connect, where your imports come from, or how your services depend on each other. Here's how to fix that. Open your terminal and run tree-l3-gitignore. Copy that output. Paste it at the very beginning of your conversation. That one step alone will completely change the quality of Claude's answers. It now knows your architecture before you've even asked a single question. Tip number 2, create a context file for every project. This is the single most powerful habit a developer can build when working with AI. Create a markdown file called claude_context.md. Inside it, put your tech stack, your architecture, your naming conventions, and your current goal. Now, at the start of every single conversation, upload this file. Claude instantly knows your full stack. It knows you're using Flask, MongoDB, Redis, and Docker. It knows your services are microservices. It knows you use snakecase and async await throughout. No re-explaining, no back and forth, just instant, deep understanding. And here's the pro move. Update this file at the end of every session, so the next conversation starts even smarter. Tip number 3, stop prompting like a user, start prompting like a senior developer. Here is the exact formula. Context, what your code does and what stack you're using. Problem, what is actually going wrong. Expected, what should be happening instead. Tried, what you already attempted. Constraint, what you cannot change. Let me show you the difference. Weak prompt, my login is broken, please fix it. That gives Claude nothing to work with. Strong prompt, Flask JWT auth fails on refresh token only. Returns 401 after exactly 1 hour. I tried increasing expiry to 7,200 seconds. No schema changes allowed. Production deploys tomorrow. Same problem, completely different answer. The second one gets you a precise, accurate fix in the first response. Tip number 4, build context iteratively, not all at once. Think of Claude like a new developer joining your team. You wouldn't dump your entire codebase on them on day 1 and say, fix everything. You onboard them properly. Here's the sequence. Message 1, upload your claude_context.md file. Message 2, share the specific file or module you're working on. Message 3, explain the specific problem. Message 4, ask your question. By the time you ask the question, Claude has full context. It knows your stack. It knows your architecture. It knows the exact file. And then it gives you the exact answer. That's how you get to 97% accuracy. Not by pasting more code, but by giving the right context in the right order. And that's it. 4 tips that will completely change how your AI understands your code. Share your project structure first. Create a claude_context.md for every project. Prompt like a senior developer with context, problem, and constraints. And build context iteratively, onboard before you ask. Apply these starting today, and the next time you paste code into Claude, you'll feel the difference immediately. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more AI development tips every week on TechCrafted. See you in the next one.